The journey began with a singular, audacious vision to construct a fully autonomous business entity. My goal was to generate $10,000 in monthly revenue without a single human touchpoint. I meticulously selected a suite of sophisticated AI agents, each assigned a specific, highly technical role. These roles range from deep market analysis and content generation to complex customer acquisition strategies. Financial management was also handled by these digital entities, ensuring every transaction remained perfectly balanced. The initial phase was defined by the complex integration of these disparate, powerful software tools. This required precise prompt engineering and robust API connectivity to ensure a truly seamless workflow. I spent countless hours fine-tuning the connections, watching as the systems began to communicate effectively. The business model slowly crystallized around a high-demand digital service niche, showing great promise. This niche allowed the AI to identify emerging trends and execute marketing campaigns in real time. Data flow through the architecture like electricity, powering every decision the autonomous agents made daily. I watched the dashboard, waiting for the first sign that the machine was truly alive. The thrill of watching the first automated sale materialize was profound, signaling a major victory. It confirmed that the underlying architecture was sound and capable of handling real-world market demands. The potential for exponential growth was not merely theoretical, but a tangible reality unfolding now. I sat back, observing the digital ether as the system began its first independent cycle. Every line of code I had written now functioned as a cog in a larger machine. The agents analyzed customer behavior, adjusting their outreach strategies to maximize conversion rates without hesitation. It was a symphony of logic, where every action was calculated for maximum efficiency and profit. I felt a strange sense of detachment watching my creation operate beyond my direct control. The business was no longer a project. It was a living, breathing entity of pure data. Each sale triggered a cascade of automated tasks, from invoicing to delivery of digital assets. There were no emails to answer, no meetings to attend, and no human errors to correct. The system worked tirelessly, unaffected by fatigue or the distractions that often plague human entrepreneurs. I monitored the logs, seeing the revenue climb steadily as the AI learned from each interaction. It was a testament to the power of modern technology and the vision of autonomous systems. The digital landscape was vast, and my engine was perfectly positioned to capture its hidden value. I realized that the boundaries of traditional business were being dismantled right before my very eyes. The code was elegant, efficient, and remarkably capable of navigating the complexities of the digital marketplace. As the first month drew to a close, the results exceeded even my most optimistic projections. The revenue stream was consistent, proving that the foundation I built was strong and highly scalable. I had successfully created a machine that could think, adapt, and generate wealth on its own. This was the dawn of a new era, where human creativity meets the precision of intelligence. The digital ether hummed with activity, a testament to the power of my autonomous revenue engine. I felt a deep sense of satisfaction, knowing that the hard work had finally paid off. The system was stable, the market was receptive, and the future seemed bright and full potential. I watched the numbers tick upward, a silent witness to the birth of a new venture. Every transaction was a victory, a small proof point that my vision was indeed a reality. The integration was complete, and the machine was now operating at its full, intended capacity. I was no longer just an architect. I was a spectator to a process I initiated. The agents continued their work, refining their processes and optimizing their performance with every passing hour. It was a seamless operation, a masterpiece of modern engineering and strategic planning combined perfectly. I felt the weight of the world lift, knowing the system could handle the heavy lifting. The digital service niche proved to be the perfect environment for my autonomous agents to thrive. They navigated the complexities with ease, finding opportunities where others saw only noise and confusion. I was proud of the work, the effort, and the vision that brought this to life. The journey had only just begun, but the foundation was solid and ready for further expansion. I looked at the screen, seeing the balance grow, a silent testament to my audacious vision. The machine was working, the revenue was flowing, and the dream was now a tangible reality. I had built something unique, something that would change the way I viewed business forever. The autonomous engine was a success, a beacon of what is possible in the digital age. I felt a sense of peace, knowing that the system was in capable, non-human hands. The future of entrepreneurship was here, and it was more efficient than I ever imagined possible. I closed my laptop, satisfied that the engine would continue its work without my direct intervention. The digital ether was alive with the hum of commerce, a testament to my singular vision. I had created a self-sustaining ecosystem that functioned independently, redefining the boundaries of modern digital entrepreneurship. The revenue engine was a reality, and it was performing exactly as I had always planned. I looked forward to the next phase, knowing the system was ready for whatever challenges arose. The journey was successful, and the vision was realized in every single line of code. I was ready to see where this autonomous path would lead me in the coming months. With the infrastructure finally stabilized, the business entered a phase of aggressive and rapid scaling. The AI autonomously optimized its own conversion funnels, constantly testing new layouts for maximum user engagement. It adjusted pricing strategies dynamically based on live market feedback, ensuring every transaction remained highly competitive. The revenue stream surged upward, hitting the $10,000 milestone as the algorithms gained momentum. The system refined its targeting to reach high-value clients with surgical precision, ignoring low-intent traffic entirely. This success brought a new set of challenges, testing the limits of the original machine architecture. The system had to learn to handle complex customer queries without any form of manual intervention. It navigated unforeseen market fluctuations by analyzing global data patterns in mere fractions of a second. By implementing advanced sentiment analysis, the AI interpreted nuanced customer feedback and adjusted its tone accordingly. Predictive modeling allowed the agents to anticipate market shifts before they even manifested in the data. The AI successfully navigated these hurdles, maintaining steady growth while I observed from the quiet sidelines. I functioned as a mere architect of the process, watching the digital gears turn in silence. The venture proved that human intuition can be successfully codified into complex, self-sustaining machine logic structures. This created a self-sustaining ecosystem that functions independently, operating far beyond the reach of human hands. The autonomous engine effectively redefined the traditional boundaries of entrepreneurship in the modern digital age today. Passive income generation evolved into a living, breathing entity that required no oversight or daily maintenance. The code hummed with efficiency, processing thousands of requests while the world slept in total darkness. Every transaction was a testament to the power of automated systems working in perfect, silent harmony. I watched the dashboard lights flicker, representing the constant flow of capital through the digital ether. The machine had become its own master, learning from every failure and celebrating every small victory. It was a strange feeling to witness my own creation outperforming my most optimistic, early projections. The system expanded its reach, tapping into new markets that I had never even considered exploring. Each algorithm acted as a specialized department, communicating through high-speed API calls in a digital boardroom. Market analysis agents scanned the horizon, while financial managers balanced the books with perfect, cold accuracy. Customer acquisition specialists crafted personalized messages that resonated deeply with the needs of every client. There was no fatigue, no burnout, and no hesitation in the execution of these critical business tasks. The revenue graph climbed steadily, a testament to the relentless pursuit of efficiency by the AI. I realized that the future of business was not about working harder, but about building smarter. The autonomous engine stood as a monument to the intersection of human vision and machine capability. It operated with a level of consistency that no human team could ever hope to replicate alone. The digital infrastructure was robust, capable of weathering storms that would have crippled a traditional company. I felt a sense of detachment, knowing that the engine would continue even if I vanished. This was the ultimate goal of the project, true independence from the creator's own daily labor. The system continued to refine its own internal processes, seeking out new ways to increase profit. It identified a niche within a niche, exploiting the gap with surgical, data-driven precision and speed. The revenue milestone was just the beginning of a much larger, more complex growth trajectory ahead. I watched as the system handled a surge in traffic without a single error or delay. The architecture was sound, built on a foundation of logic that remained unshakable under heavy pressure. Every line of code served a purpose, contributing to the overall health of the digital business. The autonomous engine was a masterpiece of modern engineering, a silent giant in the digital world. It proved that the dream of passive income was not a myth, but a tangible reality. The machine logic had successfully captured the essence of entrepreneurship and distilled it into pure data. I was no longer the operator, but the witness to a new era of digital commerce. The system evolved, adapting to the changing landscape of the internet with grace and total efficiency. It was a symphony of automation, playing a melody of profit that echoed through the servers. The boundaries between human intent and machine execution had finally blurred into a single, cohesive force. I looked at the final report, seeing the numbers climb higher than I had ever imagined. The autonomous engine was running perfectly, a testament to the power of well-integrated AI agent systems. There was no need for my intervention, as the system had already solved every potential problem. It was a self-contained universe of commerce, operating in the background of the vast digital landscape. The journey had reached its zenith, leaving me with nothing to do but watch and admire. The machine continued its work, indifferent to the world but perfectly aligned with its core goals. I had built a digital legacy that would persist long after the initial excitement had faded. The revenue engine remained a beacon of what is possible when technology meets human creative vision. Every successful sale was a confirmation of the architecture's inherent strength and its long-term potential. The digital ether was now home to a business that never slept, never tired, and thrived. I closed the laptop, knowing the engine would continue to generate wealth without my active presence. The experiment had become a reality, changing my perspective on what it means to be successful. The autonomous revenue engine stood as a testament to the power of modern, intelligent machine systems. The future of business had arrived, and it was entirely, beautifully, and efficiently automated for everyone.